Hey everyone, this is Richard Noto. I am a Florida Realtor, and right now I wanted to show you the seller's property disclosure. This is a residential form that when you are selling your house you will be required to fill out. If you have any questions, as always, contact a real estate attorney. But for right now I'm just going to show you what the contract looks like and do a little pointing with my wand. So over here, basically what you have is you're going to see questions that you're going to be answering with yes, no, and a don't know. It's going to cover the systems of the house, like this is the structure. This is going to be termites, water intrusion. You're going to initial. So is it the buyer. When the buyer does get this, let me flip this over here. Back in view. There we go. You got your plumbing, your roof, if you have a pool or a hot tub. This is getting into sinkholes. And again, everything is yes, no, or you don't know. And then there's going to be the initials at the bottom. Let me turn this. Hopefully this is focusing. Okay, and this is the HOA, the environment, things with the government and the property. Give it another second. You can always take this video and hit pause to see the contract better. If you want to see a copy of it that's blank, just send me a message and I'll try to get one over to you as soon as possible. Let me turn this page again. Here's the rest of the government stuff. Hopefully that's in focus. Foreign investment, property tax, the FIRPTA, and then your signature. And then eventually this is going to go to the buyer. So the buyer is going to see a copy of this and sign it. Let's see, let me flip this again. Okay. And this is going to give you some extra space to write in things that you couldn't fit. And again, you're going to sign, and the buyer is going to sign eventually, and the initials. And that is it. That's your seller's property disclosure form. If you have any questions, please feel free to contact me.